Our company Om Shri Agrotech Private Limited is a Dhule base. We are into the agro-based industries, into the solvent extractions, cattle feed, poultry feed, and cotton seed cake oil mill. We have our own solvent extraction plants and oil refinery with the 670 metric ton per day oil refining capacity, 700 metric ton solvent extraction plants. It's all our industries located in Dhule, Maharashtra. We are having a FOS DS2500F model. This is very latest model as of now, the 2019 from the FOS company. We adopted the latest model. Looking into it is having the amino acid profiles and other parameters upgraded machines. Our process we can control immediately. Prior to having this FOS NIR, we used to do analysis test for the protein, fiber, oil content through traditional methods of AOCS, whereas testing method used to take 4 hours for the oil content, and to control the process it is going to take another 4 hours. Now industry is growing up, raw material suppliers, various raw material suppliers, the challenge in the import material, exporting, we are into the exports as well. So it's very challenging to maintain the qualities and consistent qualities. So FOS is the perfect equipment to get the analysis of the results within a minute. Through FOS NIR's technical support team, they have given available of various types of raw materials which we required for analysis and finished products. After sales, they have given us the calibration of various products which we are using it. Through wet lab analysis methods, it's very tedious job to set up such analysis parameters, whereas FOS company has already provided us and we are using that.